I'm gonna drop my phone in it. Look at that motor, honey, huh? I'll have to measure it, but minus a half a quart of that. That's how much extra was in the old bourbon. That's why she was spitting oil all up on the spark plug, and she was misfiring all over the place, and he was chasing it. That was the issue. It's just patience, guys. Determination, and you add it all up, and once you get, once you understand it all. Like, I've heard of oil blowing through valves, but never seen it to where a motor actually survived and had compression after. I've seen, oil in the motor like I had when it's been a blown motor. That's why I was so worried. But hey, it's turned out great so far. Come along.